is Teacher Georgia. How are you? I'm happy. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, do you have your book? Let's start. Chapter 1. Hello, what's your name? Look, we have this cute elephant. What does she say? She says, hello, hi, hey, my name is Eva the elephant. Hi, Eva the elephant. Hello. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you say, spell, and write your name? Hmm. Teacher's turn. My name is Georgia. 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 Can you write your name? Okay, excellent. Now it's time to sing the alphabet song. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, great. Can you sing A, B, C, D? Okay, good job. Now let's see, what do we have to do in the next task? Task C. Let's look. Okay. Can you draw a line to find the alphabet? Okay. So we have A, A, B, A, B, C. Where is C? No C. Oh, look, there's another B. Here. A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Okay, can you draw A, B, C? Okay, and now time for our next task. So let's see. Task D. Can you tell me? It's a speaking task. Let's speak. Okay, your teacher's name. What is your teacher's name? Let's write in box 1. Let's write here. My teacher's name is... Good job. Okay. Number 2, your friend's name. What's your friend's name? Let's write. Three, a good name for a dog. For a dog. Woof woof. What can we call a dog? Let's write. And in number 4, let's put your grandmother's name. Your grandma. What is her name? Okay, now let's have a look at the next task. Okay. Wow, you are having a party. Invite a friend. Who should come to the party? To, teacher wants to bring Dominic to the party. To Dominic. Okay. We have to put my name. From Georgia. Okay. So can you write to mom, to dad, your brother, sister, or your friend? From you. Ready? Let's write. Okay, time for the listening. Okay, we have to listen. So, 1, the girl's name is, what's her name? Anne, Lucy, Maria. 2, the boy's name. What is the boy's name? Is it Paul, Mark, Sam? Let's listen. Then the dog's name and the cat's name. Are you ready? Let's listen and write. Ready? Go! Chapter 1, Listening 1. Hello, my name is Lucy. You spell Lucy Lucy. I have 2 pets, a dog and a cat. My cat is called May, and my dog's name is Tom. My best friend is a boy. He is called Mark. You spell Mark M-A-R-K. Okay, now can you write the names under boys, girls, boys and girls? Let's see the names. Okay, so here you have all the names. So where can we put Alex? Is Alex a boy's name, a girl's name, or both? I think Alex can be both. Alexander, Alexandra, Alex. Let's put it in both. Here, let's write Alex. Okay. Now, what about Alice? Alice. Is this a boy's name or a girl's name or both? Let's write. Are you ready? Let's go! Good job. Okay, let's listen to teacher say the names. Let's say them. Okay, so Alex, Alice, Anna, Ben, Bill, Dan, Eva, Grace, Hugo, Jill, Kim, Lucy, Mark, Matt, May, Nick, Pat, Sam, Sue, Tom. Okay, good, excellent. Okay, well, you have finished chapter 1. See you next time for chapter 2.